The updated Kia Picanto is now able to configure. Here is how much it costs. The Rain Kiko with the 2 priced from £15,595 or £1,900 more than the pre-facelift model. This has 14-inch alloy wheels, daytime running lights, an 8-inch center display with navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rear view camera, rear parking sensor, black cloth seat, a 4.2-inch driver display and electronically adjustable and heated mirrors. Then comes a GT line, priced from £16,745. This is 16-inch alloy wheels, light pedals, gloss black mirror, LED lights, privacy glass and a fog leader inside. Then we get the 3, priced from £17,545. This is a heated steering wheel, a start or stop button, automatic air conditioning, LED indicator under the mirrors, heated front seats and a wireless phone charging pad. The top of the rank trim is GT Line S, priced from £18,455. This is the sunroof, forward collision alert and a blind spot collision alert. The updated Picanto comes with 2 engines. The first 3 trim comes with a naturally aspirated 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine producing 62 PS, and a GT Line S trim being available with a 1.2-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 77 PS. Both engines come as standard with a 5-manual transmission with an optional automated manual transmission. 0 to 100 km/h in a 1.0 engine is claimed at 15.4 seconds in the manual and 18.2 seconds in the automatic, with a fuel consumption of between 5.1 and 5.4 liters per 100 km or 52.3 to 55.4 mpg. The 1.0 will do 0 to 100 km/h in a 13.1 seconds for the manual and 16.5 seconds in the automatic, with a fuel consumption figure of 5.5 to 5.7 liters per 100 km or 49.6 to 51.4 mpg.